Good morning, class 6th. So, after explaining up to here, I think I have not explained you further. And after that, I sent you the test, I think. So, today I am going to explain you from here. Okay. So, we were doing this lesson. We started this on Friday, on 27th of November, and we completed up till here. यहाँ तक कर लिया था, and after that I started sending you the revision tests. So it was left in between. So today I'm going to continue with it. Yesterday I've sent you the sportsman poem and with the question answers. So today I remember I forgot to send you this. So today I'm going to complete this lesson. So to compete in any Olympic event, the athlete must be amateur and a citizen or a subject of country he represents. So to compete in any Olympic event means if you want to take part in Olympics or such games like that, events like that. So the athlete is the main sports person. The athlete is known, the one person who takes part in the races. He is known as the athlete who takes part in races and the long jump and high jump. He is known as an athlete. So he must be amateur and a citizen or a subject of the country. Means one who is taking part in the Olympics, that athlete must be an amateur. Amateur is a person who is not professional, who does that work for its own pleasure. That is called amateur. इसको हम कैसे pronounce करते हैं? Amateur. And a citizen or a citizen country का वो citizen भी होना चाहिए और उसे amateur means उसको उस event में interest भी होना चाहिए. The country he represents. Imagine the winner in the olden days was awarded just a wreath made of olive leaves. So just imagine that in ancient times, when that athlete wins the race or wins the game, that event, so he was rewarded with the wreath. Wreath बच्चे आपने notice किया होगा, flowers का एक गोल सा circle होता है जिसको हम ऐसे wreath बोलते हैं. वो बिल्कुल ऐसा होता है. इट इज़ लाइक दिस. आपने टीवी पे देखा होगा अक्सर कि जब किसी की डेथ होती है तो बहुत से लोग वहाँ श्रद्धांजलि देने आते हैं. तो अक्सर मिनिस्टर्स वगैरह के हाथ में ये राउंड सा रथ होता है फ्लावर्स का. तो फूलों की जैसे श्रद्धांजलि देते हैं तो उनका ये इस तरह का एक रथ होता है. ये फ्लावर्स और लीव्स से बना होता है. तो वैसे तो ये रथ जो है, इट्स एन अरेंजमेंट. इसको हम बोलते हैं अरेंजमेंट ऑफ फ्लावर्स एंड लीव्स इन अ सर्कुलर शेप लाइक अ क्राउन. तो आपने देखा होगा अक्सर जो बड़े बड़े लोग हैं, मिनिस्टर्स हैं, दे यूज टू means dedicate this wreath of flowers on the deceased person. So in olden times, the winner was only awarded the wreath made of olive leaves. Means ऐसा ही एक wreath बना होता था जो कि olive leaves का बना होता था. Olive is a बच्चे plant, जैसे olive oil होता है ना, तो ये उन्हीं plants में से निकलता है, extract करके निकलता है. It is an extract of this plant. So they were rewarded the wreath made up of olive leaves. But today the winner of an event is awarded a gold medal. But nowadays the things have changed a lot. Nowadays the winners are awarded with the gold medals, then the second one gets the silver and the third one gets the bronze medals along with the diplomas. So they also get the diplomas with that. But earlier they were only presented with the wreath. So the opening and the closing ceremony of the Olympic Games is a grand show. Yes, you might have seen that. So whenever the Olympic Games are started, there's a very grand opening ceremony and the closing ceremony also when it concludes. At your TV shows, you can just see that how grand shows are held up, are organized. just to give a warm welcome and a concluding closing ceremony. These are organized at a very grand scale. So the games begin with a march by all the athletes around the stadium called the Parade of Nations. जब गेम्स की स्टार्टिंग होती है बच्चे, वो किससे स्टार्ट होती है? मार्च से. मार्च बाय ऑल द एथलीट्स अराउंड द स्टेडियम कॉल्ड द परेड ऑफ नेशंस. तो जब ये स्टार्ट करते हैं ना गेम्स, तो उसकी बिगनिंग वो एथलीट्स की मार्च से करते हैं, जिसको बोलते हैं परेड ऑफ नेशंस. देन फेसिंग द ओलंपिक फ्लैग द एथलीट्स टेक द ओलंपिक ओथ. Then after that, after taking the round of that stadium, all the athletes take the all the athletes, they just march march around the stadium. So after that, they face the Olympic flag, and they take the oath. Oath means आप जब ओथ होता है बच्चे, जब आप एक प्रॉमिस करते हैं, एक प्लेज करते हैं, जब आप अपनी कंट्री के लिए, उसको हम ओथ कहते हैं. द ओलंपिक फ्लेम इज़ लिट. वहीं पे ओलंपिक फ्लेम को लिट किया जाता है, जलाया जाता है विद अ टॉर्च एंड ब्रॉट बाय अ रिले ऑफ एथलीट्स. और इस फ्लेम को लिट करके एक टॉर्च से इसको जलाया जाता है. एंड ये कौन लेके आता है? रिले ऑफ एथलीट्स. मीन्स रिले मीन्स हियर द वन प्लेयर इज गिवन दैट this torch, so he runs from here to here and he hands over that relay to that torch to this person. Then he runs up till here and there he hands over that relay to that another person. Then he runs up to here and then again he forwards that relay to here and he comes here like this. This is called the relay race. That when while racing, you are just handing over that relay to the another person and he starts running from their point, his point. So this is called the relay race. So this flame is also brought like this only. One player runs up till here this place and he hands over that relay to that torch to that person. From here he runs and he runs up to his point and he again hands over that torch to that person. So likewise this goes on, and like this event is inaugurated. So this is lit and with a torch brought by the relay of athletes from the ruins of ancient Olympia in the Greece. When the games are over, the flag is lowered and the flame extinguished. So इस फ्लेम को जलते रहने देते हैं, और जब गेम्स ओवर हो जाती हैं तो फ्लैग को लोअर कर देते हैं एंड फ्लेम को एक्सटिंग्विश कर देते हैं. मीन्स उसको बुझा देते हैं, ब्लो ऑफ कर देते हैं. सम ग्रेट ओलंपियंस आर जेजी ओवंस. अभी हमने पीछे लेसन पढ़ा था ना इसके बारे में. मार्क स्पिट्स, ध्यानचंद, ही वॉज अ वेरी फेमस हॉकी प्लेयर. Carl Lewis and Don Fraser. You can add to the list by finding out about some others. So India has its India had its share of Olympic medals too. We have won several medals since the game started, and our hockey team won the Olympic gold in 1936. Dhyan Chand was the captain of that team which beat Germany in Berlin Olympics. So in the end, he's telling that India has also its share of Olympic medals. We have also won several medals since the game started, and our hockey team won the Olympic gold medal in 1936. During that time, Dhyan Chand was the captain of that team which beat Germany in the Berlin Olympics. So with this we conclude this lesson, and I'll give you the vocabulary words, extra vocabulary words. You can just jot it down. Yes, this is the, no, I've not. I'll just write it down for you and you people can just note it down. Okay. Yes, this is class 7th. Unit is Unit 4, Section 3. The Olympic Games. Vocabulary, write down. Today's yes, first word is outrun. It means to run faster. Second, short sprints. Short sprints is a short distance running. Then equestrian. Equestrian. So what is equestrian? It is the equestrian means related to horse riding. Clear? And then amateur. I told you amateur. We pronounce it amateur. It's a doing something just for the pleasure. Relay. Relay is to receive and then pass. On a signal or message. So I have found these extra words which I found it difficult, and I thought that the word meanings should be given to you. If you find anything else difficult, so you can just ask me the meaning, I will tell you. Okay. So I hope the lesson is clear to you. I have explained from line to line. Now we come to the question answer part. Comprehension. Now we come to that part. So the question number 1.